Now we people will use kinds of proper noun in Murakkab izafi. The first kind which is mostly used in Murakkab izafi is Zamair pronoun. This is our topic now. Pronoun in Arabic language has two types. First one is munfasila and the second is muttasila. The question arises that why pronoun has two kinds or types in this language. The answer to this question is we people read in the use of noun in compound that compound have two types. Pronoun have two kinds. First one is munfasila and the second is muttasila. Munfasila are those pronouns which comes separate from the noun, and muttasila which comes attached to the noun. Muttasila, it will come on the place of muzaf ilay. Munfasila will come in two conditions, in subjective fa'ili, and second is in objective case, mafuli halat. And muttasila will come in all the three conditions, subjective, objective, genitive or possessive case. Now we people have a chart of pronoun in which all the pronouns have discussed. The chart is hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna, ka, kuma, kum, ki, kuma, kunna, ya, na. These both are ghaib, which are not present, the third person. These ka, ki, these for hazar, the second person, and these ya, na is for the first person mutakallim, which is talking. Now we people discussing these in examples. The first example with us is kitabuhu. In kitabuhu, this is the pronoun and the muttasila pronoun, Zamair muttasila, and come on the place of muzaf ilay, and kitab is muzaf. Now it has made Murakkab izafi. First we will discuss in this the name of pronoun in this is we will discuss in this chart. Pronoun here used is who. Who is this pronoun which is in number for wahid, in gender for muzakkar, and it is for the third person. Now it is made that wahid muzakkar ghaib. Second, istemal ka naam, Zamair muttasila, it come attached with the muzaf and come on the place of muzaf ilay. Now we people, all the three cases of the noun, subjective, objective and genitive, it will be same. There will be no change come in this Arab because it is mabna, and mabna come same in all three conditions. We people have another example, anfusukum. In anfusukum, the kum is Zamair muttasila and anfusu, it is muzaf and it is the plural of nafsun sul jan. Now it is muzaf is in fa'ili halat because its Arab is one page, then its meaning will be according to the subjective case. In subjective case, it means that prevent, and kum means you all, and the kum is for yourself, prevent yourselves. Another point in pronoun is this, Zamair muttasila is used, or muzaf come before him. If that word is Arab of Zair, the who made him. In actually it was whom, but due to this Zair or kasra, it is reading as him, Rabbihim. Jazakum.